Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine, but use the right way, it can save you hours every week. In this video, you'll learn 7 simple ways to start today. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or small business owner, these tips will help you learn faster, write better, and get more done. We'll keep it practical, clear, and beginner-friendly. Let's start with number 1. 1. Use ChatGPT to explain difficult topics in simple words. Try. Explain artificial intelligence to me like I am a complete beginner. Use simple examples. You'll get plain language breakdowns with relatable examples. Ask follow-up questions until it truly clicks. Then save the best explanation to your notes. 2. Summarize long text into key points. Prompt. Summarize this text into 5 simple bullet points and include the most important takeaway. You get quick bullets plus the big idea. Copy, save, or share. No more wading through walls of text. Minutes saved, focus regained. 3. Plan your day with realistic time blocks. Prompt. Create a realistic daily plan for me. I have 4 hours available and need to study, reply to emails, and work on one project. Ask for time blocks, breaks, and priorities. Then move it into your calendar so you stick to it. 1 plan, less overwhelm. 4. Write clearer, more professional emails. Prompt. Write a polite email asking a client for more project details. Keep it short and professional. You'll get a tight, courteous draft you can personalize. Always edit for tone and specifics. Clarity creates momentum. 5. Generate beginner-friendly content ideas. Prompt. Give me 10 beginner-friendly video ideas about AI tools for productivity. Group results by themes and difficulty. Map ideas onto a simple posting schedule. Consistency beats guesswork. 6. Polish your writing for clarity. Prompt. Rewrite this paragraph in simple English. Make it clear, professional, and easy to understand. Aim for shorter sentences and active voice. Keep your voice, just make it sharper. Clear wins every time. 7. Build a simple learning plan. Prompt. Create a 7-day beginner learning plan for using AI tools for productivity. Mix videos, reading, and hands-on practice. Track progress with tiny daily wins. Small steps, real results. Important? Don't copy everything blindly. Check facts, edit the response, and use your judgment. AI helps, but you make the decisions. Quick recap. Explain topics, summarize text, plan your day, write better emails, create content ideas, improve your writing, and learn new skills faster. Start with one method today and build from there. If you want simple AI tutorials without confusion or hype, subscribe to AI Skill Sprint for one practical AI skill at a time. Thanks for watching.